Hi YouTube, my name is Jay Brown. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for stopping by, clicking on this video and watching. And thank you so much for rocking with me, even though I have been taking longer breaks in between posting videos. I appreciate y'all. So today I am here to share my birthday haul. My birthday was last week, and this was not intentional, but I can safely say that I am in my black era. Yes, I am. I did not intend to buy everything black for my birthday, but I think I've just been in a classic mindset, and so I just wanted to add, I guess, a bunch of black stuff to my collection. And these are all things that I'm going to look forward to carrying for the rest of this year and as we go into 2026. So the first item in my birthday haul is this. What is this? This is a Coach Lock and Key purse charm. You guys, I had no idea that it does not have a dog leash clip on there. It just has a ring on both sides. I don't know how I feel about that. That really confuses me. I'm gonna have to figure out how to attach this to my bags. What I do like about this little charm is that you can push this button right here on the side and then the key comes off. So that is the first thing I purchased, and I'm definitely going to wear this on a lot of bags, but I just love the black and gold together. The next thing that I picked up, this is a butterfly corner zip wristlet from the Coach outlet. I decided to not get the pink one because I have a ton of pink wristlets, so I definitely don't need another one. But you guys, I don't know, I'm not as impressed by this print. I am considering returning it, but I probably won't. But yeah, I'm just not as impressed by this piece, so I may just gift it because I don't know, I think everyone else has just looked much prettier, or maybe they added a few extra rhinestones or something, but it's not as much of the vibe as I thought it would be. And then I also picked up the matching notebook because why not? But again, I'm not as impressed. I don't think I'm going to return this though, because I do think, you guys know at this point I'm collecting these, and I do think this is a good addition to my collection. But after I reveal one other gift, you may see why I am a little hesitant about keeping this one. But so far, those are the things that I picked up from the Coach outlet. Now this next one is not a Coach item at all. This is a Notique planner cover. I don't know the correct name of it. I'm gonna have to put it on the screen, but this is a Notique planner cover in the black Croco embossed print, and then it has the black on black hardware right there. And I actually picked this up for my 2026 planner that I picked up from Cloth and Paper. And so here is my planner. So I am this year switching back to a disc bound planner, so just working on that, and I may eventually come back and just do maybe some short content on my planners for 2026. But yes, I have taken a deep dive into being a planner girl, beyond just the basic things that I usually purchase every year. And I've been having fun doing it, but it is also very expensive. So yes, this is by Notique, and it is luxurious. The only thing that I don't like is for the price. It's not real leather, but it is very well made, and it is very, very classic. And I love that embossed Croco print. Now next up, you guys, this bag does not need an introduction. You know what it is. You know how I feel about these. This is a large Rowan in black leather. I did take advantage of the 25% off sale that the outlet is having right now, and decided to go ahead and add this one to my collection. Honestly, y'all, just because I can. Yes. Is it going to possibly compete with that Compass 35? Yes, but I wanted it because it's black leather, gold hardware, and the large Rowan is just has to be by far one of my most favorite silhouettes right now from the Coach outlet, and honestly from Coach in general. This bag is everything. So I definitely wanted to just add this color and this material to my collection. And this is my second leather large Roman. Get into these boxes, you guys. This first one, it's a small size box, or medium, I would say. Medium size box. And my SA, she is so sweet. She did gift wrap it for me. And I'm not gonna even bother breaking that seal. I'm just going to slide the piece out from underneath if I can find it. So you guys, this is a Coach bookmark, and I don't even know how familiar you guys may be with the Coach bookmarks, but these did pop up on the retail website recently, and I decided to go ahead and add one to cart because it was only $30. This is a beautiful piece, you guys, and just as an FYI, it does not come with the beaded chain. My SA just threw that in there for me, but this would be an excellent gift for any Coach lover who also happens to love books and or planners, because I think this could serve a dual purpose as a bookmark or as a placeholder in a planner. I picked up in this box, and again, my associate did gift wrap it for me just because she knew that I'd probably make content with it. This is the Coach notebook in leather, and I did get it embossed with my initials right down there at the bottom. I am unsure about the large initials on this one. Now I kind of feel like I should have gotten the smaller size initials to match my bookmark, but this is a beautiful notebook. So this is my first notebook from retail. The back says genuine glove tanned leather, and it does have the turn lock, and the interior of this notebook case is all black, and it does have a Coach Creed in there on the, what is this, the right hand corner. So beautiful, beautiful piece, you guys. I just wanted something classic black. I think it'll go really well with my Notique cover. You see that? So all black everything for this haul. All black everything. So now that you guys see this notebook, now you can kind of see why I was considering returning the butterfly notebook. Even though, I don't know, they look amazing together too. So I may have to just go ahead and keep them both. But I just was in, like I said, I'm in my black era, y'all. This is just my black era. I wanted all black everything, just classic, beautiful black. Now, this is the last item. Actually, there's two items in here. And so keeping with my black theme, what do you guys think is in this bag? I'm not even gonna hold y'all. I picked up the Coach Swinger 22 in the black crystal. When I went to the store to pick up my notebook and get it embossed or heat stamped, I was talking to my sales associates, and they asked if I was interested in the black crystal pieces, and of course I am. So this is so pretty. I don't think the camera is doing it justice. I cannot wait to carry this for New Year's Eve. Actually, I don't know if I'm going out or if I'm going anywhere, but if I do, I will be carrying that. And then I also picked up the matching zip around card case in black crystal as well. So I love it. You guys already know how I feel about the zip around card cases. I've lost count of how many of these I have. This black crystal jacquard print is so pretty, so classic, and I'm super excited to have added that to my collection as well. Just for comparison's sake, I do have the tan or saddle color. Actually, I'm not sure what this color is, but I do have the original crystal signature print, Swinger 20, and my matching zip around card case is on the inside. And so here are those items together, just so you guys can get a feel for the difference between the two. Okay, so there is that completed set together, y'all. So super excited about this haul. I cannot wait to get into this large Rowan, and I'm definitely looking forward to 2026 and getting into my planner for the year. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye, YouTube.